Okay, so this is our basic code window. This is where we write our code. So if you write this into your code window, you can press pause to write it all. And then we go to our interface, and we need to add a button. So we can choose button, and click add, and when we click on there, a button appears. Agents for the setup, we want it as observer. And the commands gets it to run the function we want it to run. So the function we want it to run is called setup. And then the display name is the name that's displayed on the button. That doesn't really matter. All right, we need another button for go. This time it will be run by turtles, and we'll get it to go forever. So it goes forward one and then keeps on doing that forever. And then the command is go. We can name whatever we want. I'll just name it go. Setup clears the screen, makes the turtle appear, and go makes the turtle move. And there we can see the turtle kind of slowly moving around. The turtle is that little red dot. We'll be calling it a turtle, even though it doesn't look like a turtle. All right, so the turtle's moving. Let's see if we can do it a little different. We could make it go a little faster by changing one number in here. That makes it run that command more frequently. And there we see it. Now it's moving forward every 0.02 seconds rather than 0.2 seconds. We'll make it a little slower. And let's see if we can make it turn a little bit. So turning is in degrees, so 45 degrees. So it's just running around in circles, turning lots and going forward lots. Turn a little less, maybe see what happens. So we get a bigger circle because it's turning much less. So there's a few other things we can do, so let's see. We can get it to do, maybe put a pen down. So pen down will make it leave a trace. So now it's leaving behind a trace. So it's leaving behind a trail of red. We put that pen down up where we created the turtle. We could also get it to turn by a random amount. So random 10 will just randomly create a number between 0 and 9, because that's 10 different numbers. So random 10. So it's jumping forward a lot. You say forward 9, it jumps forward. How about instead we get the turn by random 10. See what happens. All right, so now we see there's lots of little random jumps. Going around kind of randomly. We might call it a random walk. All right, so that was always one turtle. So why don't we create more than one turtle? And they're all pointing in random directions and turning in random directions. So we see them all kind of scatter around randomly. They're all red right now, so let's set their color to a random color. We have to give a number for random. I made a mistake there. So it has to be random, maybe 100. I'm going to give it some random number between 0 and 99. And they're all different colors, they're different numbers. So, well, there's lots of things you can change. So go into the code, change things one little bit at a time, and see what kind of change that puts in your code or in your output. So see if you can make it